how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to draw Venom, and yeah, it's going to be a side view, and it's going to be very, very easy, by the way. So if you've always been wanting to learn how to draw Venom and you're not sure how, you will be able to draw him through this video. So let's do it. Going to go right here now, and I'm going to draw like the curve of the top of the head right there, kind of like from the forehead. So curve back here, right? Kind of maybe pull it forward just a bit there. Pulling in for kind of the brow area. Pulling out, down, out over here, chin, and back of the jaw. Let's so that way the chin right there, right? We want to go over here and we're going to find the back of the jaw. So I'm drawing like a closed mouth version of Venom, which a lot of people don't do ever, right? Because he's so famous for his tongue. But I want to do a closed version. I don't know. I just feel like doing that. I think it'd be cool to do it. So down right here, the back of the jaw. Angle down there. Pulling a line there. Alright. Line right here for the neck. And we're going to pull down over here, like so. Line right there. Curve for the back of the neck right there. And he's pretty buff dude, right? So he's going to have like a pretty big neck. So we could probably draw a line up here, right there, for the most part. By the way, if you're enjoying this so far, say what's up. Say what's up in the comments. Is there a character you want me to go over how to draw? I listen to all the comments, by the way, so if you say a character, I'll probably do it if I haven't done it already. So let me know and I'll absolutely get it done, but you gotta ask for it in the comments. Okay, line right here for the eye, kind of edge of the eye, curving down over here and pulling up over here, down, out over here. Remember, he's got this giant bug eye, you know, Spider-Man like, down over here. So far it looks very similar to Spider-Man, but we're gonna change that right now. Okay, gonna go over here. We're gonna draw a kind of curve right there for kind of a smile like area, and I want to draw kind of the mouth right here. We're gonna draw the zigzag where the teeth meet. And we're going to just take our time, right? Take our time, and we're going to go all the way back there, if that makes sense. Before that, don't forget, there's a bunch of free stuff in the description. Go check out the main website at sketchmonsterart.com. Also, check out the free cute drawing ebook. There is a Godzilla drawing ebook on the Gumroad. There's all kinds of free stuff for you to learn how to draw and like push your drawing level to the next stage. Go do that if you guys are interested. None of this stuff will be free forever, so that's why I'm saying get it now before I start just making it a product. So, but yeah, go check that out in the description right now. Zigzag here. We're zigzagging along. So he's got that smiling all the way up there. All the way up there. And then let's draw like a dark line right here before we get into the teeth. But right here, let's draw kind of like a shadow right here in this area. And then maybe a line right here, like a V shape right here for the pit of the neck. Alright, now we're going to fill out these teeth. So I'm going to extend right on both sides. Extend these teeth right here and find where they're embedded in the face. See that? I'm going to draw like a curve right there. So you're going to draw right there where they're embedded in the face. Alright. I draw it all the way up. So far, so good. Gonna go right here. And I understand this is kind of like a different version of Venom. You used to Venom with its mouth open, but you know, which I do have that version on here, by the way. So curve down here. Again, finding where it's embedded in the face here. So far, so good. Line right there. Maybe the shoulder. Curve. And we're going to find a couple of dark areas here. We're almost done, by the way. So maybe some dark area back here where, it, you know, the smile is pulling back, right? He looks kind of weird. Curve right here as well along the edges. Maybe a dark in the front of the eye right here, so maybe curve in right there and fill out the dark part right here. You're finding kind of shadow. I never teach that stuff on this channel, by the way, like shadow and stuff like that, but you know, that's what the other channel's for. But you know, that's just some stuff I'm touching on right now. Right here as well, some dark. These dark areas kind of bring out, you know, this like curved section stuff. Pulling down over here, just pulling it. And we're pretty much at the home stretch. Right now, and all this stuff is like style points, throwing in these dark areas right here to kind of accentuate this area. If you want, also, you can throw in a darker line around his eye, right? There you go. That darker area around the eye definitely helps out. You know, it gives him that kind of creepy, look. He's almost creepier without the tongue, actually. It's funny. But let me know who you want to see. That's pretty much it. Very interesting version of Venom. I want you to stay here, and we're going to go into the next drawing lesson. All right? So stay here right now. Let's go into the next drawing lesson. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.